let's check this Amapiano beat I created last night. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today's video I'll take you through how I made this Amapiano beat, starting from the drum patterns to the melodies. Let's get started. So the tempo for this beat was 112. Actually, Amapiano, I normally use 110, 111, then 112. I don't go beyond 112. Okay, mostly I fall within tempo of 111, 112. Okay, so this tempo was 112. So this was my kick. Okay, so I just played this kick. Let's listen to the kick alone. Very simple. So I was looking for the next thing, which was the drums. Okay, so I created this pattern called drums, and I started with this percussion here. It's a conga. Okay, this percussion, and let me solo them one by one so you listen to it. This was how the percussion was sounding alone. Very simple. Then I added this one. Okay, so together. Then I introduced this conga. Okay, let's add that one. Very simple. I wanted to get more bouncy drums. Okay, add more grooves to it, so I brought in this conga again. Let's add that one. I was adding more layers, okay, and more percussions. Okay, so this was the next thing. Very simple. Then I introduced this conga. Okay, and this was how it was sounding together. Very simple. Then I added this hi-hat. Okay, remember the beat is not mixed. Okay, so let's listen to it together with the hi-hat. Very nice. So I added this percussion here, something like that, which is this one. So let's add that. Okay, so this was how the drums were sounding aside the kick. Okay, so I placed them here. Let me solo the kicks and the drums alone. Switch this to the song mode. Let's listen to the groove now. Okay, so right after getting the drums, I feel like adding something to give it more bouncy. And you know, Amapiano, we can't do it without shakers. So I introduced this shaker here. Okay, let's add that one to the drums. The next thing I added was this drum fill. Okay, so let's add that one and listen. Ha, you see that thing? So I got the mood now. I've gotten the bouncy groove now. Okay, so I added this box. Okay, so let's listen to it. Okay, so right after the drums pattern, what I was looking for is what? The chord progressions and the melodies. Okay, so let's go back to the patterns, then I introduce the chords. Okay, so I use muffin. This was muffin. Everything I used was, I think, muffin and boo bass. Okay, everything was done with muffin. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, then share the video as well. Links to my previous videos too are also down there in the description box. Go and watch them, some of it may help you. Let's continue. So this was the melody and the chord progression. Okay, I use muffin. Okay, so let's listen to it alone. So let's add that one to the drums and listen. Okay, so the next thing I added was this melody using purity. Okay, GM normal echo drops, very simple, and it was sounding like this. Let's listen to it alone. Very simple. So I'm going to add it to the whole thing, then we listen to it together with the purity and the rest. This is how they sound. Alright, so I then added this counter melody. Okay, purity again. Okay, sorry, let's listen to the counter melody alone, then we add it to the beat. Very simple. So let's add that one too. Okay, and enjoy. Alright guys, so right after that I was okay with it. The only thing left was to add bass, so I used boo bass. Okay, boo bass, I use boo bass. Okay, boo bass, I don't know why they named this thing boo bass. Okay, so this was my bass. Let's listen to it alone. I did some slice on it. Okay, so let's listen to the bass alone. Alright, so let's add that one to the beat. Okay, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe so that we grow this channel together. Links to my previous videos too are also there. Go and watch them. Okay, I take you through mixing, mastering, production tips. So guys, let's enjoy the whole beat together with the bass. Okay, Alright, so after that I wanted to add something to give it more groove. Okay, so I use this hi-hat with enough reverb alone. It was sounding like this. Alright, so let's add that one to the whole thing. Okay, then let's listen to the final beat. Remember, the beat is not mixed, I'm just showing you how I did it. Okay, let's enjoy the whole beat. Alright guys, so this is how I made this Amapiano beat. You can follow it and create your own. It's called Sai on the Beat, Stay the Solution Career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.